my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of March 25th through the 31st. My inspiration this week is that sticker book you see sitting on my desk there. I bought it at Tuesday morning, and it's the, I don't know how to say her last name, but I can't really see it from what I'm doing. Hartfield, I think, Jen Hadfield. And I just gonna flip through this sticker book real quick for you, just so you can take a look at all of. Oh, there it is. Did a little bit of close up there. Okay, so now you can see I flipped through the book really quick here. Such really beautiful stickers. I'm just love the sticker book so much. And then I also pulled out some washi tape that I was hoping to use. And I found this piece of paper at Hobby Lobby. And I got their paper is always $4 for $1. And yeah, I was so excited when I found that paper because I'm like, this is exactly going to match the sticker sheet. So I was really excited. All right, so I am going to go ahead and work on my Plan With Me, obviously. But before I do anything, I wanted to write on the back of this page. So this page is the on the planner. It's, you know, the Thursday through Friday, but I've had a little bit of trouble because I like to write on this, but I always seem to forget to do it prior to doing the Plan With Me on the other side. And since I use a lot of stickers and it adds like bulk to the back, I'm like, okay, gonna finally figure out do it the right way. I'm gonna do it before I actually do my Plan With Me. So now you get to see what I do on my April recap sheet. So since I obviously do YouTube videos with my Plan With Me's, I like to plan them out ahead of time just to make sure that I know exactly what I'm doing and I have everything that I want in regards to like paper and stickers and stuff. So what I do on my recap thing is I write down what each of the themes are. So I write down each of the weeks and then what the themes are for that week. And then since I'm also documenting my word joy, I also write down the prompt for the words. I wasn't able to write them down as I was writing this because they're on my phone and I was using my phone to record, so I wasn't able to use it, but I will go ahead and fill that part in after. And yeah, so I do kind of leave them blank because I'm not exactly sure. I have an idea of what I'm going to do, but I just wanted to work out what dates I was going to do, which dates, which layouts. Okay, and my special day is my 26th. On the 26th, it's my 45th birthday, and I do happen to hopefully going to get some new Etsy items into my shop. So that was really all I do for that particular page. All right, so let's go ahead and go into the actual planner layout. And I wanted to do something a little bit different this time with my paper. Instead of just like cutting it into strips or boxes or whatever, I wanted to do something that I've never done before. So I came up with this idea of kind of using the paper. I've done this before in the past where I've kind of cut the paper and then, you know, had it sit, kind of match up with the other pages on cuts on the paper, but I've never done it where it's just like a strip of paper. So what I decided to do was I cut each of these strips of paper, and what I did was I did the first one at 1/4 inch, the next one at 1/2 inch, and then the third cut is a 3/4 inch. So they're all just 1/4 inch thicker than each other. And then I kept the pattern the same so that you can still see the pattern when it's laid out on the page. And what I did was I'm butting up the end piece to the line that's on Tuesday, and then I'm butting up the little smaller piece on the line that's on Monday. And I did ink those ones up because I felt like I just needed a little bit more contrast because the paper was off-white. So I just felt like it just needed a little bit more contrast against that stark white of the planner page versus the off-white of the scrapbooking page. So I'm going to use my glue stick to glue these down. And the reason why I'm using a glue stick, I don't typically use a glue stick. I don't generally like using glue sticks because your hands get all sticky and it's kind of gross and it gets everywhere. But I wanted to use a glue stick here because I needed to have a little bit of mobility. When you use a tape runner, you don't really have, I mean, pretty much when you stick it down, it's stuck down. But I needed a little bit more flexibility in making sure that I could kind of maneuver it to the position that I wanted it in, if that makes any sense at all. So that's really the only paper I'm going to use on this page is these couple of strips. It's this particular layout, since I'm using that sticker book as my inspiration, is really sticker focused. It's got a lot of stickers in this spread. And I really love how it turned out, so spoiler alert. So then I'm going to go ahead and just get all that glued down and then make sure it's semi-straight at least. And I really like how that turned out. I think it looks really cool. And then, okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and I think I just realized that looking at it, I don't think I used that last strip right. Oh, well, you can't tell. But anyway, I went ahead and cut a piece for the side panel. And I'm going to use my glue stick or my tape runner for this because I didn't really need to like line it up. So I'm going to go ahead and get that on the side. And then to kind of mimic that, that like line thing, I'm going to also use some washi tape on that side panel too. So I'm just going to put some washi tape down, and I have this thin washi tape from the Dollar Tree, and it's really cool because it actually has like this kind of like peachy color that's in the paper. It like matched perfectly, and it's cool because it's like a glittery washi tape. And I did put some glue stick on it just to make sure that it's stuck down. And then I had this other like yellow, that's not yellow, kind of like off blue grayish color, and again totally 100% matched that like bluish gray that's in the paper, so it was like perfect. So I just went ahead and lined those two pieces up, and then I just cut it with my knife here, and then it's gonna be sticker time. All right, I told you there was a lot of stickers, but I think it turned out really, really cool. I really like it. Okay, so now I'm going to do my journal card, and I have to admit that I have definitely been slacking on doing my journaling for my my word of the year. So what I think I'm going to do to try to help me motivate myself to do it is I'm going to actually just take the last couple of prompts that I haven't done, and I'm going to do them in a video and show you kind of how I create the little like layout or whatever for each of the journaling, and then kind of talk through like what the word of the, this particular prompt for this particular week is reflections. So I'm supposed to like reflect on the first couple of months and how I've been doing with the word of the word and all that, and what, God has taught me through it, and what I've learned. And so in order for me to do the reflection part, I have to do the other ones because I feel like I need to, you know, do them. So I think I'm going to do them in a video. Hopefully that would be something that you'd be interested in seeing, and I will probably do that sometime this week and get that posted later on in the week. So hopefully that's something you can look forward to. Okay, so as you can see, I just used one of the scrap pieces of paper, and I really wanted to use this house plus love equals home. I just really liked that. I think that's really cute. So what I did was I just inked it up, as you could see, and I put that on there. And then again, I'm going to do kind of a mock-up of I tried to put this sticker down and it didn't work, so I'm going to pull it back up because you barely can't see that. You can't even see it. So anyway, bypass that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do kind of a same thing that I did in my planner layouts. Is I'm going to do kind of that strip thing. So I grabbed one of these little strips that they have in the sticker book, and then I'm going to grab another one and I'm going to cut that one in half. So I've got like a large, medium, and small, kind of like I did in the paper with the paper on the planner layout. So you'll see here, I decided to ink up all those ones as well, because I just felt like since that paper was so busy that you could barely even see the stickers. But I felt like inking them up kind of gave them a little bit dimension. All right, so now once I do that, then I did want to add just a couple of more stickers just because I love the stickers book so much. I wish I had bought 2 of them. I am obsessed with the sticker book, and I'm like, it literally killed me to use these stickers. Isn't that funny? How it's like you just love something and you don't actually want to use it. But now I'm totally in love with this spread and I think it's beautiful and I'm so glad I used them. So anyway, I'm grabbing some more of these word stickers, and it says like together and moments and then blessed on there. And then you can't really see them too much in the video, but you can see them. There's a picture of it. So then I'm going to go ahead and get it in my journal. I'm going to get it in my planner, and I'm going to put that in my planner. Now I did something a little bit different. I'm going to give you a close-up view with some music playing in the background, and then it'll be my end screen. So if you're interested in seeing kind of a close-up view and you've liked that, please give this video a thumbs up. Here you go.